sitcom where the whole thing was that the actual plot
bad
and characters were boring, but the laugh track was full of these really weird laughs.
It's a good idea. I like
Yes.
No, Carl.
Yes.
No, Carl. We talked about putting her laugh on the laugh track because the thing is, it's so terrifying. It's like it's a funny moment. I like it on laugh
We have
tracks.
to capture one of those.
Or
Not
sometimes
like
my daddy,
just
it's like in a
the out
very
of
rare
nowhere.
moment. Sometimes my dad will, I love it.
So these are my friends.
I love
They're kind of crazy.
girls.
Yeah.
I love seahorses. I love
Things with
I love
seas.
things with
I've always wanted to
Yes.
just record a conversation.
Yeah, but see, nobody else will ever understand it because it's full of things like all these references to dinosaurs and roaring and
some
internet
kind of-
humor and eating
kind of
things.
seahorse.
Like, we're really all like
Invited?
closet peekers.
Wow, I wasn't invited.
No one has to understand.
Seahorse, sea house.
Yeah. I don't know, I guess like if you're making this video for when you're old and we're all dead,
You ever
and you
see
can remember
Really
all
Man
those
Now, dog?
fun
Why didn't you
times
film
that
us
we
doing
had.
Psycho Killer together in the car? Did you?
Psycho Killer.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
I'm not.